Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word 3A and 3B simulation exam. So open the Word 3A and 3B simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word 3A and 3B simulation exam, click start. Open the Word 3A and 3B simulation exam. Click launch. So next, total questions 24. We move to the question number 1. Select the entire document and then change the line and paragraph spacing 2.0 and the spacing after 0 point. So select the all and change the line spacing 2.0 and spacing after 0 point. Spacing after 0 point and click OK. And next, at the top of the document, the history of Ellis Island. The history of Ellis Island and press enter. And next is center the history of Ellis Island. Go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups, click centers. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, in the header area type the Davis and press spacebar and then insert the page number in the current position using the plan number style. So go to the insert tabs and go to the press and page numbers, insert the header area and click the edit headers and type the Davis and press spacebar and insert the page numbers in the position plan using the plan number style. And next insert the page numbers current position in the plan number styles, click OK. And next apply the align right and then close the header area. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups, click the align right and close the header area. Click the header and footer tabs and click the close header and footers, click OK. And next, starting with the paragraph that begin the first open and select all of the report text and set the 0.5 first line indents. Do not apply the indent to the footnote at the top end of the document. Starting with the paragraph begin the first open and select the all of the text. So select the all of the text so next select the all of the text and set the 0.5 first line indent and do not apply the indent to the footnote at the end of the document. So next paragraph and select the all text of the document and first line indents, go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and next select the patient and select the first ingredient and click OK. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, in the fifth line of the paragraph that began first open and to the right of the period, after the method insert the footnote with the text, before the federal government began regulating immigration after passing the Immigration Act of the 1891, individual state had the responsibility. Be sure to type the period at the end of the footnote. In the fifth line of the paragraph began the first open fifth line of the paragraph began the first open in to right of the period so next right of the period and insert the footnote with the text, before the federal government began regulating immigration after passing the Immigration Act of 1891, individual state had the responsibility. So go to the reference tabs and go to the footnote groups and click the insert a footnote, and next type the before the federal government began regulating immigration after passing the Immigration Act of 1891, individual state had the responsibility and including the period. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, modify the footnote text style to include the font size of 11 with the first line of 0.5 and double spacing, close all dialog box. So right click and text styles, modify the text styles including the, click the modify and including the font size 11, change the font size 11, and next click the double spacing in the paragraph, and next select the first ingredient and double spacing and line spacing double, and click OK, and again OK, and click apply. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, on the reference tab in the citation and bibliography group, and set the style to MLA. So go to the reference tabs in the citation and bibliography groups and select the style to MLA. And next, in the paragraph begin on its first to the left of the period. At the end of the paragraph, insert a citation for a new source. The source is book, the author Walter Catherine, title Ellis Island, history the year 2009. Create the source dialog box. On its first day to left of the period. At the end of the paragraph, insert the citation. Begin on its first, left of the period graph, end of the paragraph. And left of the period of the paragraph, insert the citation and new source. Add a new source. And next, the source book and author is Walter Catherine. Walter Catherine. And title, the title is Ellis Island, a history. Select the title box and type the Ellis Island, a history. And next, year is 2009. The source is book and the Waters. And next, in the create a source dialog box, complete the source information. Enter a New York as the city of the Perspective Publishing, as the publisher, as the medium, type print, and then click OK. So next, create a source dialog box, completing the source information, and select the city column and type New York, and publisher is So next, in the create a source dialog box, complete the source information. Enter the new city, New York, in the city, and the publisher is Perspective. Publishing. And next, medium is type print, and click OK. So next, question number 5, on the reference tabs and citation and bibliography groups, and select the MLA. And next, in the paragraph on its first, and next, left the period, end of the citation and bibliography groups, left the period, and insert the add a new source and select the types and Walter Catherine. And next, title is Ellis Island. And next year is 2009. And next, in the create a source dialog box, complete the source information, enter the New York. And next, so next, publisher is Perspective Publishing. Perspective Publishing. And next, medium is print. And click OK. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, by using the added a situation dialog box, added the water situation to include the 37 as the page numbers. And next, added a stations and including the page 37, and click OK. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, in the 6th line of the paragraph that began originally the island to the left of the period following the word materials, on the next page insert the station for a new source. The source website and the author is Aaron Stephens, and the name of page is Visiting Ellis Island. Do not close the create a source dialog box. 6th line of the began originally the islands in the left period of the word material. So the word material, the word materials in the left of the periods, word materials, insert the station and new source, go to the reference tabs and go to the station and bibliographic groups. And next, add a new source. The type of source is author. Next, the source is website. Source is website. Author is Aaron Stephens. And next, name of the web page is Visiting Ellis Island. Visiting Ellis Island. And next, in the create a source dialog box, continue entering the source informations, and source information, the year is so next, create a source dialog box, continue the entering the source information, the year is 2013 and the month is July and date is 17. And next, in the create a source dialog box, the source information, the year exists is 2021 and the month axis is March, day axis 23, medium is web, create a source. So next is year axis 2021, month axis March, and day axis 23, medium is web, and click OK. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, move to the end of the document and insert the manual page break. End of the document, and next insert the manual page break. So insert the and insert the page break. With the insertion point in the blank paragraph, new remove any indent. Insertion point, blank paragraph, new blank page, and remove the indent. And next to remove the indent. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, with the insertion point in the blank paragraph on the new blank page, insert the work stated bibliography. Blank paragraph on the new blank page, insert the word. So go to the reference tabs and go to the citation and bibliography groups, and select the word stated. Select the word stated paragraph, the stated. Select the word stated and change the font to Calibri. Go to the home page and go to the font groups, and next font to Calibri, and then change the font size to 11 and press enter, and change the fill of the selected text color, second column, first color, and change the fill color, and next font color, second column, first color, and next with the text work stated selected and apply the centers. With the text work stated straight selected and change the spacing before 0, and then set the line spacing to doubles. Selected and change the spacing before 0 point, and set the line spacing doubles, and click OK. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, use the source manager to edit the name Catherine in the water source to begin with the K instead of C, and update the both list. Source managers, and edit the citation, And next, the name is Catherine water source, beacon K instead of C, and click OK and click yes. Page 1, update the water stations so that the bibliography page is updated and reflect the new spelling Catherine. On the page 1, update the water station. So next, update the water stations. So question number 10 is complete, and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, open the navigation pane and use the pen to go to page 3 of the document and close the all open dialog box and panes. Open the navigation pane and use the pen to go to the document and enter the page number 3 and click go to and click close and close the navigation pane. So question number 11 is complete, and we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, display the backstage view and then show all property. So go to the file tabs and next go to the info and select the show all property. Update the document property, include the title, the history of Ellis Island, history of Ellis Island, title, the title, and update the document property to include the comment. And next one, click the comment dialog box. Is type draft copy of report for a class property, include the comments. And click OK. And next, update the document, include the company. So select the company dialog box and type history writing seminar. And next, update the document property to include the manager, and press enter. So question number 12 is complete. So I have done the assignments, and please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score. So you can see the current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, Stat Finance, Economics, Writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.